Hey people, I'm back because I haven't been back in a while, and I wanted to do a little quick update on my braids I got in my hair, my protective style I got in for the summer. Just put a little, I just got a shower, so I'm putting stuff on my face. But anyways, this is coconut oil, not sweat. But, so, I've had these braids, not cornrows, box braids in my head for almost 6 weeks, and I have yet to wash them. Not yet. I haven't washed them yet. I do want to wash them. I might wash them in about a week. I do plan on washing them, but I wanted to try. I'm kind of iffy if I want to try this, but I want to go ahead and try it. It's a dry shampoo I got from Bath and Body Works. Cucumber, vitamin E, vitamin B5, dry, refreshing. No parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but I want to spray a little bit of this on my scalp. And, ooh, it feels good to my scalp. Oh, it feels like a cool, tingling, minty, cold feeling. Oh, it feels kind of good. And it smells really good. I'm not going to spray too much of this on my head because, I don't know. That's my first time using that, and I don't know how that's going to, work. But I do want to try it. It felt good, though. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really, really good. But this entire time I had these braids in my hair, I have been using this braid spray. I have another spray that I use like once or twice, but I've mainly been using this. And even this, I'm gonna spray my hair now, moisturize it, but I've just been putting on the length of my braid. I put some on my scalp a little bit, but my edges, my perimeter. But I've been putting it where I know my hair is at. And even this, I have not been doing a whole lot. Like what I just did. I might do it a little bit longer, but I normally just do that like, I'm not gonna lie, I do it like once a week. I don't do it that often, but yeah, I do it once a week. And I still have some packs of wild growth oil. So I'm going to, it's wrapped up, so I'm going to, because I ran out of the other one. I'm trying to open this one. This is hard to open. Goodness gracious. Got some scissors. Yeah, other than that braid spray, this is the only other thing I've been putting in my head. I did have my daughter grease my scalp once with black Jamaican castor oil, but other than that, I haven't really been using anything. I'm going to put some of this on my scalp. And this is the only oil, other than that one time I used the black Jamaican castor oil. This is the only oil I've been using. And this is oily enough, but you see how oily this is? You see that? When I do put this in my head, I do like do it really, really generously. I don't be stingy with it at all. So I get it to where my scalp is very moisturized and that the oil kind of penetrates and go down the length of the braid, or as far as it's gonna go. Oh yeah, I put that all on my scalp. I don't want it to drip down because this has a tendency to, it's thick-ish. So like you put it on your scalp and you think it's gonna like stay there, but it like drizzles downward. So I don't want to get too heavy-handed with it. But that's basically what I've been doing, what I'm gonna continue to do. Yeah, that's it. I put a little bit on my fingertips just to rub on my perimeter. And that's all I do. And this is what my braids are looking like. I guess I can turn around a little bit, but that's the length of them. And that's what they're looking like. They actually smell like really, really good now, but this is just a quick update. I don't plan on taking them down anytime soon. I don't care if anyone thinks they're messy, but if you've been watching me long enough, you're probably thinking they're not as messy as some of the other styles you'll wear for like forever. So if you are watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any video recommendations, leave them down in the comments box. If you want me to try some other style out, especially for when I take this style down, something, maybe a fall style. Fall's coming up soon. Something I can wear like September-ish, October, like, you know, November, around that time. Any comments, any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you later. Until next time.